Hi all, welcome to the new programming tutorial. This is Harsha. So friends, this is the part 1 of the strings tutorial, and in this part we are going to learn about string and string formatting. After watching video, if you like this video, please hit like button, and if you want future notification of any programming tutorials, please hit subscribe button friends. Thank you. Friends, let us start with the tutorial. And in this tutorial friends, as I said, we are going to learn all about the strings by making a simple program that takes all the information about a song and it prints with a meaningful sentence to the user. What we were doing previously means we are taking input and printing a variable name. So this was not giving a useful message to the user. The content what we are printing is related to what, so that the user cannot able to understand. So now friends, we are learning about how to print the useful messages with this project. So friends, I opened the PyCharm now, and I will create a new project called as song metadata.
Open button. Create new project button. List. Your Python selected 1 of 1. Location. Create location. Panel. Edit selected untitled. D. Blank.
Friends, before that I will select, means I will choose symbol level to all by pressing insert P.
Symbol level sum. Symbol level most. Symbol level all. Blank. D E F T R T F U backslash U. Untitled. Blank.
I erased the untitled project name, and now typing the project name as song underscore metadata.
S N G line. M E T A A T A. Edit focused C colon backslash users backslash Harsha HD backslash picture projects backslash song line metadata. New environment using radio but comp location base interp browse button should inherit make available create but cancel create button.
I will press enter on create button.
PyCharm. Song line metadata dash PyCharm. Song line metadata dash PyCharm frame focused. Project tool window panel level 2 song line metadata C.
My project got created, and it focused on song underscore metadata.
Extra song line metadata C colon backslash users backslash Harsha HD backslash picture projects backslash song line metadata selected collapsed 1 of 3 level 2.
I will expand it. I press right arrow and
level 2 song line metadata C colon backslash users backslash Harsha HD backslash picture projects backslash song line metadata selected expanded.
so let us create a new Python file. I'll press applications.
Create new menu.
New menu.
File. New scripter Python file.
Python file.
Project tool window panel. Edit lang. SONG. Line. METADATA 1. Edit focused song line metadata 1.
So I typed the file name as song underscore metadata 1. Press enter now.
Project tool window panel. Song line metadata 1.py tab control. Song line metadata 1.py tab select. Blank.
Friends, first I will show what are all data we will take in this program, and we will print the data in the form of variable, just variable. So we not printing any meaningful message to the user as of now. So once we got printed all values correctly, then we go to the printing of meaningful messages to the user.
Blank.
So let us initialize some variables, means let us take some user input and store it in a variable. First, the required thing for the song is name.
E equals INP input left parent line prompt editor for song left right parent quote.
I'll type in the quotation mark in the input function.
ENTER space SONGE.
Enter song name.
Name equals input left parent quote enter song name quote right parent.
So it automatically put at the close the quotation mark and close the parenthesis for me.
Blank.
In the next
Name
line,
equals in blank. Name is blank.
I will type
ALBUM.
album is equal
Equals.
to, album is a variable name, is equal to,
INP input left parent line editor for
I am taking input.
left right parent quote. E-N-T-E-R space A-L-U M space A-A-E. Name album equals input left parent. Quote enter album name quote right parent.
Enter the album name.
Line.
So next friends, in the next line,
Y-E-A-R equals editor for song line.
so year is equal to means what we are expecting here means the type of integer. Year should be always in integer. So let us take the integer input.
I-N-T int dash built in select int dash built T line feed.
Int open the parenthesis.
Left parent. I-N-T input left parent editor for song left right parent. Quote. E-N-T-E space T-A-E space Y-E-A-R. Year equals in left parent. Input left parent. Quote enter the year quote right parent. Right parent.
Enter the year.
Line feed.
Let us take the artist.
A-R-T-I-S-T equals I-N-T input left parent editor for song right parent. Quote. E-N-T-E-R E space S-I-N-G-D-R D-E-G-G-E-R space N-E E quote right line E artist equals input left parent. Quote enter the singer name quote right parent.
Here it is asking like enter the singer name and it is storing what in the artist variable.
Art blank.
In the next variable friends we can take the
Art blank artist equals blank.
Total duration of the audio.
D-U-R-A-T-I-O-N equals I-N-P input left editor left right parent. Quote. E-N-T-R-T-A-E space D-U-R-A-T-O-N space O-F space S-N space G space N-I-I-M-I-S space N-I-N-U-T-E-S. Art duration equals input left parent. Quote enter the duration of song in minutes. Quote right parent.
So enter the duration of song in minutes. This is what integer type of data we are taking. So I missed the integer. I missed the integer function now. So I will type that.
U-R rate I equal I T in dash built in select editor for song line method T I left parent line feed right parent. Art duration equals in left parent. Input left parent. Quote enter the duration of song in minutes. Quote right parent blank.
So next the last variable friends we are going to take is the file size. So I will type the name as size.
S list I Z E equals.
So let us consider this data as a float variable.
F-L-O float dash build editor T line feed left parent I N P input left editor left right parent quote E N T X E I E N S S I Z E F T A E space F N G. Size equals float left parent input left parent quote enter the file size of the song quote right parent.
I asked the input as enter the file size of the song. Let us we already took the input and let us start to print one by one variable name now. So first what we took is name. So let us print the name.
N print left edit left right parent N A name selected editor for E right print left parent name right parent line.
Next we can print the artist.
P-I-N-T print left parent editor A-R-T artist select editor T right parent line. P-R-I print left editor.
So now I am printing the album.
A-L-B album editor F right parent line print blank.
Next I am printing the year.
P-I-N print left edit left right parent Y-E-A year select editor R right parent. Print left parent year right parent line. Print left parent blank.
Next I am printing the duration of the song.
Blank. P-R-I print left editor for D-R duration so editor print left parent duration right parent line.
Next at last I am printing the file size, means the variable called size.
P-R-I print left edit left right S-I size selected editor print left parent size right parent.
So friends this is the program. So let us read from the beginning.
Name equals input left parent quote enter song name quote right parent.
Enter the song name. This is a string means by default input gives the string type of data.
Album equals input left parent quote enter album name quote right parent.
Enter album name.
Year equals in left parent input left parent quote enter the year quote right parent.
So enter the year.
Artist equals input left parent quote enter the singer name quote right parent.
So this is the singer name.
Duration equals in left parent. Input left parent. Quote enter the duration of song in minutes. Quote right parent. Right parent.
So duration, this is the integer input.
Size equals float left parent. Input left parent. Quote enter the file size of the song. Quote right parent. Right parent.
This is the file size. Taking the input as float. And
Print left parent. Name right parent. Print left parent. Artist right parent. Print left parent.
these are all the print
Print
function.
left print left parent. Year right parent. Print left parent. Duration right parent. Print left parent. Size right. Print left.
So after this, friends, let us run the program now.
Run menus. Run dot dot dot. Alt plus shift. Song line metadata 1 dot pi. Song line metadata 1 list item selected 2 of 2.
So I clicked on run and I got the file name in the list. I'll press enter now.
Song line metadata 1 dot pi tab control. Song line metadata 1 dot pi tab select.
Let us see the result by going to the run section now.
List lit 24 colon. Run selected 3 of 9.
Press Control Tab and went to the run.
Rerun pick song. Console quote C quote enter song name.
So it is asking enter the song name. I'll type Tum Ho, TUM space HI space HO, like so the song name.
T U S space A O. Enter song name Tum Hi Ho. Enter album name.
I'll type Ashikwi 2.
A space 2. Enter album name. Enter the year. Enter album name. Enter the year.
Here I will type as 2013.
1 3. Enter the year 2013. Enter the singer name.
So I'll type Arijit Singh.
ARIJIT space AINH. Enter the singer. Enter the duration of. Enter the singer name. Enter the duration of song in minutes.
So I'll type as 5 now. This is the integer input.
5. Enter the duration. Enter the file size of the song.
So I'll type 5.55 MB like that. I'll not type MB and all. Just I'll type the float value.
5.55. Enter the file size of the song 5.55. Process finished with exit code 0.
So the process is finished now. It got printed. It executed the print statements. Let us see the output.
Enter the singer name. Enter the duration of song in minutes 5. Enter the file size of the song 5.55. Tum Hi Ho.
It's printed the song name.
Arijit Singh.
Arijit Singh.
Ashikwi 2.
Ashikwi 2.
2013.
2013 is the year. 5.55. 5.55. So the problem in this, friends. So if a user means if a random person comes at me and looks this, what is this data, means there is no meaning in this, like I'm not understanding the sequence, means what it is printing, in which sequence it is printing. So if he not knows the artist name or album name or anything, so probably he will not understand. So we want to print this message in a meaningful way, like the song name is Tum Hi Ho, sung by Arijit Singh, in the album Ashikwi 2. Like that, we want to print the meaningful message to the user. Then the user will understand. So let us try, friends, how to print those meaningful strings.
Blank. Print size print.
In Python, friends, there is one thing called as string formatting. What it means in print function or in any variable. So we can store the string. For example, I want to print the song name is Tum Hi Ho. Instead of printing only Tum Hi Ho, I want to add the song name is to the sentence. So what I will do is,
size print left parent, name right parent, line feed.
I will use the concept called as string formatters. So here the Tum Hi Ho, the variable which stored the song name, is of type string type. So to represent the string formatter, friends, we use the % symbol when we typing the string. For example, if I want to type the song name is Tum Hi Ho, print, open the parenthesis, open the quotation mark, the space song space name space is space %s. %s means here we are referring to string variable, means Percent means here it specifies the string formatter. S means string. So same like that, if we what include percent f means float, percent d means integer, like that. So there are basically three types of alphabets with the percentage symbol to represent types of data, means types of variable that we are using in the string. So let me practically show you, friends. So it better than theory is practical, so it will understand.
Separate left parent. Name right parent. P. R R N T. Left parent. N.
So in the print function, friends, I'll erase the
Left N. A left N.
name variable.
Name right parent until right size equal duration equal separate left parent right parent line right parent.
This is the empty print function now here. What I do is I will open the quotation mark inside the print function now.
Quote.
I'll type.
T A E space S O N space A E space R S space.
So the song name is, I want to include the variable name here. So what I will do is I will type
Percent S.
means because I want to include a variable type of string here. So that's why I typed percent %s. If I want to include a type of variable type of float here, I should include what percent %f. If I want to include a variable type of integer, I should include percent %d here. But for now, I want to include a string variable type here. I typed as percent %s.
Separate left parent. Quote the song name is percent S. Quote right parent.
So the song name is percent %s. So percent %s. Now we typed the percentage and we told to Python that we need to print a string variable in place of percent %s.
Line right parent.
So which variable it still don't know, means the Python still don't know until we define explicitly. So
Separate left parent. Quote the song name is percent S. Quote right parent. Line right parent. Space.
so after the closing quotation mark I gave one space, then I will type the percentage symbol
Space.
and then I will include the variable name, means here the variable name is name, NAME.
N A name selected one editor for song line metadata. Separate left parent. Quote the song name is percent S. Quote percent name right parent.
So friends, this is how we can represent the message meaningfully to the user. Let us rerun and try again.
Run menu. Run tick song line metadata 1 tick shift. Song line metadata 1 dot py tab control. Song line metadata 1 dot py. List 2 6 call 4. Rerun tick song line metadata 1 tick console tab control.
I went to run and
Quote C. Enter song name.
I will type as same as Tum Hi Ho.
T U S A A O. Enter song. Enter album name. A Enter album name. Enter the year. 2 1 3. Enter the year. Enter the singer name. A R I J T space N G H. Enter the singer name. Arijit Singh. Enter the duration of song in minutes. 5. Enter the duration of song in minutes. 5. Enter the file size of the song. 5. Enter the file size of the song.
So I typed all the data what it requires and let us see the output.
Process finished with exit code 0.
So exit code 0 means it successfully executed.
Quote C colon.
I went to the top of the window, means I pressed the control plus home and I'm coming down.
Enter song name Tum Hi Ho. Enter album name Ashit. Enter the year 20. Enter the singer name Arijit. Enter the duration of song in minutes. 5. Enter the file size of the song 5.55. The song name is Tum Hi Ho.
So previously what it was printing only Tum Hi Ho. Now it is printing.
The song name is Tum Hi Ho.
So the song name is percent %s. So like that we printed. After the percent %s we closed the quotation mark and included another percentage symbol and gave a space and gave the variable name and closed the parenthesis.
The song name is Tum Hi Ho.
So like that we done for the song name variable and another variables.
Arijit Singh. Ashitli 2. 2013.
So it's not in a meaningful message actually. So let us define those things also in a meaningful message to the user.
Print left print left parent P R R N T left parent A R A left A artist right parent and right parent left right parent quote.
So I will type here. I want to what print as print result as Tum Hi Ho song sung by what Arijit Singh. Like here there is two data, means one is the song name Tum Hi Ho and another data is artist, means Arijit Singh. So I will type as
Quote percent S space S O N G space S U N G space B Y space percent S print left parent quote percent S song sung by percent S quote right parent line feed.
So I typed as percentage song sung by percentage. So here we want to represent two string variable here, means we want to represent more than one string variable here.
Right quote
So
right parent.
what I will do is after the quotation mark, after the closing quotation mark of the print function, I will
Quote right parent
include a space.
percent space.
And now what we done previously is we were including the variable name, but here we want to represent more than one variable name here. So if we are representing only one variable name, we can directly type here after the percentage symbol the variable name. But if we representing more than one variable, we should include the variable names inside the parenthesis. Again I have to open another parenthesis after percentage symbol.
Left parent. A list name selected 1 of 1 name select N A name select editor for song line.
So one is name
E right parent
comma
space
artist.
A R artist selected 1 editor for song line metadata.
So let us see this, friends, how it looks.
Print left parent quote percent S song sung by percent S quote percent left parent name comma artist right parent.
So after closing the quotation mark before opening the parenthesis, friends, I put at the space actually while representing the variable names.
Print left P R I N T left parent quote left parent quote left parent quote percent S percent S O N S U N G space B percent quote space percent space left N A N E space A R T I N T right parent.
So this is the way of representing what more than one variable in a string.
Print left parent quote percent S song sung by percent S quote percent left parent name comma artist right parent.
So this is the way of representing a meaningful message in a print statement. If we have more than one variable name.
Print left parent. Print left parent album right parent.
So for the album we need to write as
line feet L A left T left A.
Means I will write as the song belongs to the album percent S. Percent S means here the album name.
Album right parent and select quote T E space S O N G space B L O N G S E space N U M space percent S quote right parent space percent space A list L album select editor for song line print left parent quote the song belongs to the album percent S quote percent album right parent.
So here I typed as the song belongs to the album percent S, close the quotation mark, percentage symbol, and the variable name called as album.
Print left parent year right parent P R I N T left parent Y.
So instead of year
right parent left right.
I will write as means I want to write as Ashikwi 2 was released in the year number, means the percent D. So what I will write is
quote percent S space A S space R E E A S E D space I S T A E space Y E A R space percent D. Print left parent quote percent S was released in the year percent D quote right parent line.
So we wrote the type of data, means type of variable data we want to represent, and
right quote right parent.
We want to after the closing quotation mark we want to include a
Space.
percentage symbol.
Percent. Space.
So we are representing more than one variable name now, so we want to include a bracket.
Left parent.
So first the album means the variable name album.
AL. Album select editor for right parent.
So the album was released in the year
Comma. Space.
2013 means if we are storing year means we are storing the what year number in the variable name called as year.
Y. E. Year selected editor for song print. Print left parent. Quote percent S was released in the year percent D. Quote percent left parent. Album comma. Year right parent. Right parent.
We printed this.
Print left parent. Duration right parent. T. R. N. T. Left D. Duration right parent. Right parent. Right left right parent.
So total duration it is in the form of integer. I will type I will print as
Quote. T. O. T. A. N. Space. D. R. A. T. O. N. Space. S. Space.
total duration is
Percent. D. Space.
percent D
M. I. N. U. T. E. S.
minutes.
S. Quote right parent. Space.
Space percentage symbol
Space. DU. Duration select editor.
and variable name the duration.
Print left parent. Quote total duration is percent D minutes. Quote percent duration right parent.
Next friends we
Print left parent. Size right parent.
so we are printing the file size.
Right E Z I N left S.
So instead of that we can print
Size right parent. Right parent. Quote. T O T A space F I L E space S. I Z E O F space A E space O F space S space.
total file size of the song is
Percent. F. Space.
percent F means floating means float variable here MB.
M B. Print left parent. Quote total file size of the song is percent FMD. Quote right parent. Line feed. Right quote right
So
parent.
after the quotation mark I will type space.
Space. Percent. Space.
Then I will type percentage symbol and I will type space and I will include the variable name that is size.
S I size select editor for song E right parent. Print left parent. Quote total file size of the song is percent FMD. Quote percent size right parent. Blank.
So let me execute the program friends again.
Run menu. Run tick. Song line metadata. List 2:4 run to 6 4 run select rerun tick song line met console tab control editor enter song name
The same the same name I will type.
T U F space A O enter song name enter album name A S A Q U space 2 enter album name enter the year 2999013 enter the year 2013 enter the singer name ARIJITSPINGH. Enter the singer name Arijit Singh. Enter the duration of song in minutes. 5. Enter the duration of song in minutes. 5. Enter the file size of the song. 5. Enter the file size of the song. 5. Process finished with exit.
Oh, I typed as 5. Sorry. So I was supposed to type as 5.55. So let us see. Anyways, let us see the output.
Process finished with exit code 0. Quote C quote enter song name Tum-I-Ho. Enter album name Mashikwi. Enter the year. Enter the singer name marriage. Enter the duration of. Enter the file size of the song 5.
So these are all input.
The song name is Tum-I-Ho.
So here starts the print statement. The song name is %s. Here is % means song name we printed.
Tum-I-Ho song sung by Arijit Singh.
So here I printed as Tum Hi Ho song sung by Arijit Singh. Means % song sung by %s. Means two variable names here.
The song belongs to the album Mashikwi 2.
So here Ashikwi 2 is the variable name means the album.
The song belongs to.
The song belongs to album %s.
Mashikwi 2 was released in the year 2013.
%s was released in the year %d. So in the for the %s we gave it as album. For the %d we gave it as year.
Mashikwi 2 was released in the year 2013. Total duration is 5 minutes.
Total duration is 5 minutes. Total duration is %d minutes.
Total file size of the song is 5.00000 MB.
Total file size of the song is %f MB means %f means float. So here it printed as 5.000 MB.
Blank. Process finished with exit code. Sum.
So this is how we can represent strings in a meaningful way, friends. Also, instead of printing it, we can also store it in some variable, like name sentence is equal to what quotation mark, song name is %s, close the quotation mark, percentage the name variable. So like that we can store in variable also. So friends, this is all about the string formatters, and this is the part 1 of the string introduction. In the part 2, friends, let us see about the escape sequences and all. Hope you like this tutorial, friends. Thank you.